All right, I'm just going to quickly revisit this multiplying and dividing integers, so we can just call it good on this. So when we are multiplying and dividing integers, we can ignore the signs to start and do our multiplication or division as normal. So in this case, we have a 6 times a 3, which gives me 18. Once I have my product in this case, now I can go back and assign the correct sign. So this all depends on what the signs of my original numbers were. I have a positive and I have a negative, which means that I need to go over to the positive column and then down to the negative row, which means that my answer, my final answer, is actually going to be negative. All right, so let's go ahead and try another problem. Let's go ahead and try a division one. So let's say we have the same numbers though. We have a 6 divided by a negative 3. Again, we are going to ignore the sign at first and do our division like normal. 6 divided by 3 is going to be 2. And now I can go back and put the correct sign on it. So my numbers haven't changed. I still got a positive and a negative. So I'm going to go over to the positive column and down to the negative row. Positive column, negative row. And so I know that my answer, again, is going to be negative. So, but remember, if, let's say, I was multiplying two numbers that were negative, so like a 2 times a negative 3, in that case, I would go over to the negative column and then down to the negative row, which would result in a positive product. So even though we are starting off with two negative signs, the ending product is going to be positive. Because when you multiply numbers with the same sign, your answer is going to be positive.